कंगना रनौत और हंसल मेहता में हुई तकरार। कंगना रनौत और हंसल मेहता में हुआ ऑनलाइन टिफ। In a post yesterday, Hansal Mehta said what happened with Kunal Kamra is not new to Maharashtra and that he has faced it too. Filmmaker Hansal Mehta and actor MP Kangana Ranaut clashed online today over the crackdown against stand-up comic Kunal Kamra for his jokes targeting Shiv Sena chief Eknath Shinde. The online spat between Mr. Mehta and Ms. Ranaut, who had collaborated in 2017 for Simran, comes against a massive debate over the vandalism at a Mumbai studio to protest Kunal Kamra's jokes targeting Mr. Shinde, now the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister. As cases are filed and the civic body cracks down on the studio, citing building law violations, कई लोगों ने इसे कंगना रनौत के premise demolition से भी जोड़ के देखा है, which happened actually during the Uddhav Thackeray regime in 2020. तो वहीं हंसल मेहता had actually flagged an abusive post targeting कुणाल कामरा। तो वहीं इसके जवाब में एक एक्स यूजर ने पूछा और क्वेश्चन किया मिस्टर हंसल मेहता से कि कंगना रनौत के 2020 प्रीमाइस डेमोलिशन पर आखिर उन्होंने क्यों कुछ नहीं बोला, जिसके जवाब में हंसल मेहता ने लिखा, Was her house vandalized? Did goons enter her premises? Did they do this to challenge her freedom of expression or for alleged FSI violations? Please enlighten me. Maybe I don't know the facts. Well, इसके जवाब में कंगना रनौत ने भी अपने एक्स हैंडल पर किया पोस्ट एंड शी रोट, They called me names like haramkhor, threatened me, served a notice late in the night to my watchman, and next morning before courts could open, bulldozers demolished the entire house. High Court called the demolition completely illegal. They laughed at it and raised a toast to my pain and public humiliation. It seems your insecurity and mediocrity has not only made you bitter and stupid, but it had blinded you as well. It's not some third-class series or atrocious films that you make. Don't try to sell your dumb lies and agendas here in the matters related to my ordeals. Stay out of it. Well, कंगना रनौत के इस तीखे जवाब पर हंसल मेहता ने लिखा, Get well soon. ये सारा मामला दरअसल तब शुरू हुआ जब कुणाल कामरा से जुड़ा हुआ एक पोस्ट हंसल मेहता ने एक्स हैंडल पर शेयर किया और उन्होंने कहा कि दिस इज नॉट न्यू टू महाराष्ट्र एंड दैट ही हैज फेस्ड इट टू. 25 years ago, loyalists of the same then undivided political party stormed into my office. They vandalized it, physically assaulted me, blackened my face, and forced me to apologize publicly by falling at the feet of an elderly woman for a single line of dialogue in my film, he said. The line was harmless, almost trivial. The film had already been cleared by the censor board with 24 other cuts, but that did not matter. At the so-called apology venue, at least 20 political figures arrived in full strength to oversee what can only be described as a public shaming, with 10,000 onlookers and the Mumbai police watching in silence. The incident did not just bruise my body, it bruised my spirit. It blunted my filmmaking, muted my courage, and silenced parts of me that took years to reclaim, he added. No matter how deep the disagreement, no matter how sharp the provocation, violence, intimidation, and humiliation can never be justified. We owe ourselves and each other better. We owe ourselves dialogue, dissent, and dignity, Mr. Hansal Mehta posted. Well, आपको बता दें, सितंबर 2020 में part of Kangana Ranaut's Mumbai office was actually demolished by the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation (BMC) और उन्होंने reason जो cite किया था वो था encroachment. हालांकि the timing of the action raised questions, and at that time the Uddhav Thackeray government was in power in Maharashtra and also controlled the civic body. The action against Kangana followed a bitter spat between her and Shiv Sena leaders in the aftermath of actor Sushant Singh Rajput's shocking death. हालांकि इसके बाद कंगना रनौत ने कोर्ट का दरवाजा भी खटखटाया against the demolition and scored a big win there. The Bombay High Court actually paused the demolition exercise and questioned the motives behind the BMC's action. हालांकि कंगना रनौत actually slammed Kunal Kamra's jokes targeting Mr. Shinde and said it was not okay to disrespect someone for his humble background. कंगना का मानना है कि 2020 में जो उनके प्रीमाइस का डिमोलिशन हुआ वो इलीगल था, but the action against the comic now is legal. Well, आपकी इस बारे में क्या राय है? कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा.